over here, Lord Shiva's temple also. This is a Lord Ganesha's temple over here. You see it has the lowest interest, all the wooden bars, so you can like lean forward, maximum service. The Lord. It's too loud outside. I guess we can go to this room, okay? After they go out, we will use this room, okay? Guys, I was telling you everything today. Now you tell me, who is that guy? How do you think? Who is he? Any suggestion?
Looks like a prisoner.
Prisoner? No. What else?
Pilgrim? Pilgrim.
Actually, yeah, you are right. Yeah, he looks like a prisoner, but keep in mind that was like a sacred place, and people were they were having an ascetic lifestyle over here. They used to do self-punishment practices over here. I'll show you different ones as well, but this is one of them. They used to put heavy chains on them. Even for me right now, this could be quite heavy. Can you see? They were very skinny for them. That was like twice maybe heavy. Yeah, probably these rituals are needed to something like a clean your karma, like they were doing it periodically. Here you can see this gentleman is he's like cooking something. He's making a mixture. Keep in mind that was a Silk Road. They could find everything over here. Sometimes locals were taking payment with an opium, and they were mixing opium with the milk. They were taking it during the self-punishment practices. This one is okay. They had another one I will show you later. So because it reduces pain. Local pilgrim who stayed over here for a while. For example, you could stay over here, say serve. You know? I thought that some kind of no. It's just a mannequin, random people to hurt yourself and like secure your.
Окей. То иде сега нещо.
Alright, that's it. Alright guys, so we see this room is way bigger than the other ones that you saw before, right? This is the first room which was built over here in 1713. The construction of the temple started over here. And before, that room was divided by a wall over here with an entry. And this side, where I'm standing right now, was something like your personal suite, your hotel room. You see that's a merchant, he's making payment, and for his payment he's providing food, drinks, and a safe place to stay. You see there was something like a bed over here as well. They were using
Where are you?
guys, so you're probably see rituals over here. If you take a look at the platform over here, you can see the local to meet people. You see it's dark inside. It was assembled again during the construction, but they used original rocks, so that's why they are like burned.
They're almost going to the room I want to show you. Excuse me.
हाँ अपना कर क्या लगा बटेरला शुरू करना भाई 2 महीने से 4 तारीख को मैं आ जाएंगे इंडिया से हाँ तो चलेंगे ना मैं 4 तारीख को आ जाऊंगा पूरा मैं अभी बाहर ही हूँ
Burada boşu varsa sonra almak var. Her bere, dediğinde her bere çöz varyant edeyim. Alright. Guys, come here. Alright guys, so in this room we have another type of a self-punishment practice. Do you remember the Gavaldash stone, the one that I used to play today in the morning over there? So this is limestone, the material called limestone. And there are different types of limestone. This is also limestone. The one that we had over there is limestone, different types. And they have different durability. For example, we have one that is called non-slaked lime, and it's very fragile. You can break it with your hands in pieces. We have this powder over here, you see. So due to let me explain it a different way. So non-slaked lime, if you add some water to it, to a powder of the non-slaked lime, it becomes a slaked lime, and because